guys, it's live. Our artificial intelligence writing assistant is now available within the Recruitemy applicant tracking system. No longer will you have to worry about what type of content you want to post on your social media sites, maybe your marketing emails. It's all done for you. We have incorporated ChatGPT-3 into our applicant tracking system. Let me show you guys exactly what this looks like and how it can work for you today. Let's take a look. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the ChatGPT integration into Recruitemy's applicant tracking system, which is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I have so many members in Recruitemy that aren't quite sure what type of content they should post, every day. They know it's important to do it on their social media sites, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, but just struggle with, coming up with a topic every day and writing. So no longer do you have to worry about that. Let me show you what we've done in the marketing tab of our applicant tracking system. So the marketing tab and feature is awesome. I mean, you can basically go in here and sync up every one of your social media accounts. All you would do is hit add account, and then you have the options of TikTok or Twitter or LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or Google Places, or I'm sorry, Google Business. So obviously what I've done is I went ahead and integrated all of my Facebook group pages on here, and I often schedule posts to go out. That's how that works. But what we've added most recently is the feature of just doing a new post and then clicking on Content AI. All right, so check this out, right? So you can go ahead and put any title you want in here. So let's talk about job growth in 2023, okay? And we'll provide a brief content description. What does job growth look like in 2023? Let me fix my spelling. Job growth, yep, all good. And then we add some keywords. Let's say jobs. Let's say hiring. And we'll do hiring outlook. Oops. Okay. Bear with me. And then you can select a writing tone. So whether you want it funny, casual, exciting, professional, witty, really cool stuff here. So we'll just do professional for this purpose. And you can have as many variations as you want. I'll go ahead and do 2 variations right here, and we'll hit generate. Let's see what it gives us. All right, there we go, guys. So here we go. The first version is it's important to stay informed on the job market. In 2023, the hiring outlook looks positive with job growth expected in many sectors. Keep an eye out for new opportunities. All right, awesome. So you could literally copy this, paste it right here, and then hit continue. And then you can choose, let me show you what happens from here. You can choose which social media accounts you want to post this to in one shot. It'll go out to all of them. And you can even add images as well down here or videos. Pretty amazing stuff. So that's how you do it with social media. We've also gone ahead and incorporated this with emails. So you can create email templates within our applicant tracking system. Here's a test one that I set up. And so if you have a marketing list for candidates or for clients that you want to send like a daily marketing email out to, we have an AI tool feature in here as well. So you simply drag the text over, and then you would hit Content AI, and the same principle. You go ahead and put in your parameters, hit generate, and it's going to give you a few variations of marketing emails that you want to send out. Really cool stuff here, guys. It's going to save you a ton of time, and I hope this helps. All right, guys, thanks.